just when the fishing gets as good as it can get, old Mother Nature says, no more. The suckhole has returned, and so has the high water. And it's only going to get worse. We hate you, Mother Nature. Thanks a lot. It's getting pretty epic up here, people. The river's just screaming in. Docks are crooked. It's not a good day to be up at Lake Erie. The current is ripping in. I don't know if you can even hear me, but this is just effing crazy. So, bad day. Unprecedented flooding, folks. Never been this high in years. Inside the store, stuff floating around everywhere. The dock that was jacked up earlier still is jacked up, getting worse. It's supposed to be straight, not at an angle. It's bad, folks, but it'll go away. Fish will bite again, and we'll get back after it. Consider all trips canceled through Sunday. We'll try to get a hold of everybody, but I'm going to be busy cleaning up here for a while, so at least the ducks and geese enjoy it. Thanks, folks.